Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Anna, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make an Eiffel Tower the easiest way. So this is the Jacob's ladder, and when you join one end, this becomes an Eiffel Tower. And today I'm gonna be teaching you the easiest way to make Eiffel Tower. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. And I'm gonna be making a playlist of cat's cradle. So if you're interested, please smash that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you can be notified when I post. Now let's actually get into the video. So guys, we are going to start by taking off a string. So this is the basic thing. How we put it is put one loop in your thumb and one in your pinky. Now another loop in this thumb and in this pinky. So this is the basic opening. Now I'm just gonna take my pointer finger. This is the pointer finger. Through it like this. Now you can just see this line. You have to pick it up with your pointer finger just like this. This is the basic opening of cat's cradle, and now further we have to just let our thumbs go. Whatever is on your thumb, just let them go. Now we have to go over this first one that I am touching, go down, grab this last piece like this. So this is what you should get after doing this. So after you got this position, you have to go over the first one, grab this second one, this one that I'm touching right now with my thumbs like this. So this is the shape that you should get. Now you have to leave your pinkies, whatever is on your pinky, just let them go, pull a little bit. So this shape when you will get, you have to take your pinkies, grab this second last one, pull. So you can just see kind of an X shape in between. Now let your thumbs go, whatever is on your thumbs, just let them go. You should get this spider position. Now the third lead, you have to count 1 2 3 4 leads are there. Grab the third one just like this. This is the shape that you should get. When you just got this shape, what you have to do, here comes the main part. Okay, till here anybody can do, but now you have to look carefully. Let's get over here. So you can just see I have this loop in my pointer finger. I'm gonna extend this loop and put it on my thumb, and the down one that was already on my thumb, I'm just gonna take it off and put it over here. Same I'm gonna do on the other side. Just look carefully, that loop is on this, but I'm just extending it like this, taking the loop on my thumb finger out just like this. Now I'm just gonna pull. I can just see these two triangle things over here. So now I'm just gonna let my pinkies go, and this part I'm just gonna let it out of my finger, and these triangles will soon be on my middle finger. Let's just do it. See, left my pinkies, let it out just like this and pull. Here you got your Jacob's ladder. Connect one end, and here we get a Eiffel Tower. I hope you liked it. Now we will do it in a little bit speed. Guys, sometimes while solving it, we get knots. So you have to take any two ends and just pull it through, and without any knot, you just untangle it. Okay, now just let's do it in a speed. Take a loop, put it in your thumb and your pinky. Same on the other end. Now you're just gonna let your pointer finger go through both of it. This is what we get. Let our thumbs go. Grab the last piece just like this. Go over the first one. Grab the second one like this. This is what we get. Now we are going to leave our pinkies. Now pinkies will grab this second lead. This one that I'm just touching right now like this. This is what we get. Then we are going to leave everything on our thumbs. We get the spider position. Now we'll grab the third, means second last you can say, and this we will get. Now we have to see over here, extend this loop and put it on your thumb. Same over here, put it on your thumb, take this part out, pull it a little bit. You will see triangle. Let your pinkies go, let this part come out, and here we go. We got our Jacob's ladder. Join one end. Here is the Eiffel Tower. How to untangle it? Just pull these last two threads, and here we go. I hope you liked it. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.